Hi, this is Howie Schwartz, and I wanted to talk to you today about David Cannell and his experience and training in our I Am Leadership program. David, as a small business owner, knows the importance of generating leads for your business. He recently, armed with his I Am Leadership training, has gone into one client, for example, and helped them generate $4,000 a month in new business just by dominating several positions on the top of Google. He worked with a second client and helped them take their paid search advertising and help make it profitable. So armed with I Am Leadership, David is the right guy to talk to generate new leads for your business.
Would you like to get more customers, get more from your marketing budget, become the leader in your market? You can do it, but I have a big warning for you. You must act fast before your competition beats you to it. Do you want to know the secret? Online, local marketing. 83% of U.S. households now use the internet as an information source when shopping locally for products and services. According to a Piper Jaffray 2008 research paper, 30% of all search engine queries contain a city, state, or zip code. With 2.6 billion local searches performed each month, the internet has now surpassed print yellow pages and newspapers as a primary source for local consumer service information. And the adoption of smartphones will only add to these numbers. 27% of all mobile searches are for local information. A study performed by Comscore Networks in 2008 found that 82% of the people using local web search followed up their research with offline action, including in-store visits, phone calls, emails, and purchases. The finding shows that advertisers cannot ignore the importance of integrating their online and offline marketing and advertising efforts. 61% of those using local search sites eventually made purchases. The benefits of online marketing? They're measurable. It's the best return on investment for your ad budget. They're used by over 83% of consumers. Always on advertising, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. It's direct response advertising. It's the most targeted advertising, and it places your business directly in front of your prospective customers at the very moment that they're looking for your services or products. This could be your business, dominating your competition online, generating a majority of the leads for your prospective customers. But you must hurry. You must act fast before your competition beats you to it. Please contact us today for more information.